Okay, so we're going to take a look at another Photoshop mockup file that you can use for your designs. The file that I'm demonstrating is for the hoodie. Again, I want to point out that you need to have layers open, and you'll see that layers that apply to work you need to do are labeled in red. So the first thing I'm going to let you see is you've got an ability to change the color of the hoodie and to change the color of the background. But before I demonstrate that, I want to go over how to put in your artwork. So you'll see this little square here. This is an indication of a smart object. To get to that object, you need to double click and it opens up a second Photoshop file. And the smart object Photoshop files have an extension of .psb. You do not do work on this PSB file. What you're going to do is you're going to, again, click on this. This is a linked file here. So you double click on that, and there is the AI file. So I want to demonstrate how you would update that. You have gone to your AI file and you want to change it. So you could, let's say you wanted to just get rid of that, and then you wanted to go to a new piece of art. You would go to that file, open it up, Command C to copy it, close that file, and then Command V. Now, I want to get this a little larger, so I'm going to hold down Shift and enlarge that and hit return, and you, oops, just ignore that. You have to save your AI file in order for it to update in Photoshop. So Command S. And let's close that, and we'll get back to Photoshop. And we can see that the PSB file has now updated. So let's close that. Oops, close that. And here we go. The logo has been replaced with this new logo. Now let's take a look at how we would change the hoodie color in the background. This is a folder within the stack. There's a layer inside this folder, so it's indicated in red. This is a place you want to go to make a change. This layer is called hoodie color. You click on that and you can change, and it will be viewing on the screen while you do this if you make sure this window's out of the way. So I like that gray. I'm going to click OK. Now I want to change, I will collapse that folder again, and I want to change the background color. This is an adjustment layer for color. I just double click on it. And again, I can change the color. I'll go to trim, we have to do this. And at any rate, that's how this works.